Students, in this sheet now we will practice the dimensional formula for different quantities. These are the quantities given. We are starting with the easy quantity. Suppose first quantity we are taking area and we are finding its dimensional formula. So what is the procedure? Whatever quantity is given, we have to first search its formula. So suppose this is area of rectangle given. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now what we have to do, to get its dimensional formula, we have to replace them by the symbols. The standard 7 symbols are there. So length is expressed as L and breadth, it is also measured in meter or centimeter only, so it is also length. That's why length into length will become L square. And finally we can write the dimensional formula in terms of MLT. So if M and T are not appearing, so we can write its power 0. So M power 0, T power 0 and L power 2. So generally we write the sequence MLT, and it is okay, both the things are allowed. If we write it simply L power 2 or we write it MLT sequence, both are allowed. Now we have talked about area here. Now whether it is area of rectangle or area of any other shape, then the answer of dimensional formula for area will always be L2. This we can practice for one more kind of area. Suppose area of circle is given, we have to find its dimensional formula. So area of circle is pi r square. We have to write this formula first, and after that pi is a constant without unit. Pi is just 3.14 something, so no unit, so this will be ignored and only r square will be considered. And for this radius square, each radius is measured as length, so we will write L power 2 finally. So you can see whether the area of rectangle or whether the area of circle, the answer of dimensional formula is coming L square. In the same manner, if we proceed to volume, suppose volume of cuboid is given, formula length into breadth into height. All the three quantities are lengths only, means they are measured in meters only or centimeter, so they are not mass or they are not time, they all are lengths. So we will write L, that means L cube is the answer. We can write M0, L3, T0. Now we can again try for one more volume. Suppose volume of sphere is asked. Volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now this 4 by 3 and pi is a constant without unit, so this will be ignored and only r cube will be considered, and r cube will be, r will be replaced by L because it is length, and finally the answer will be L cube. So this way the purpose is here to tell you that whether any area is given, the answer of dimensional formula will always be L square, because every area has always the unit meter square, SI unit. In the same manner, volume answer, whether any shape is given, volume answer will always be L cube, because the volume answer is always in SI system meter cube. So this way, if the terms meaning are same, the units are same, the dimensional formula will be same. Now let us proceed to density term. See, density formula is mass upon volume. Mass is replaced by M, volume is replaced by L cube. We have already solved it. So finally the density dimensional formula is M L raised to power minus 3. Now quickly we can understand all these formulas. Speed or velocity is distance or displacement upon time. So in the numerator length and in the denominator time, we have to shift all the quantities always in the numerator, changing their powers to negatives. So L power 1 and T power minus 1. So remember, this velocity term is going to come so many times in numericals. So velocity formula is always L1 t minus 1. Let's see acceleration. Acceleration is change in velocity upon time. Change in velocity or velocity will always have the same unit. That's why we can replace it by velocity only. So velocity answer is L1 t minus 1, and upon time is also t1. This way L power 1 and t power will change. It will become t power minus 2, because this 1 power of denominator term, when it is shifted to numerator, it will become minus 1. So minus 1 power will become minus 2. So remember, acceleration answer is L1 t minus 2. Let's proceed to momentum. Momentum is P equal to mv. This you have studied in 9th standard. So mass is m, velocity is L1 t minus 1. So finally m1 L1 t minus 1. Next is force quantity, mass into acceleration. Mass is m, acceleration is L1 t minus 2. So finally the answer of force is m1 L1 t minus 2. You should learn this force formula also, because it is mostly used in our coming numericals. Work formula, force into displacement. Force is, we need not to solve it again in detail. Force formula we can learn and directly substitute here. So m1 L1 t minus 2 into distance is L power 1. Finally you see two L's are appearing, and if the same bases are there, powers are added. That's why L power 1 and L power 1, it will become L power 2. So finally remaining terms are, and all the formula is m1 L2 t minus 2. Whether we are talking about work or energy, they both are expressed in joule. Joule is the SI unit. So if the units are same of any two quantities, then their dimensional formula will always be same. So the energy formula, whether we find kinetic energy or we find the potential energy, which we have practiced in the previous video, answer will be coming same to work only, same as work only. So m1 L2 t minus 2 is the answer for energy also. Next is power. Power formula is work upon time. Work we have already solved as m1 L2 t minus 2 upon time is t. Finally you see the power of t only will change. So this denominator t power 1 will be shifted to numerator. It will become minus 1. So finally the power will become minus 3. So final answer of power is m1 L2 t minus 3. In the same manner, pressure. Pressure formula is force upon area. Force is, you must have remembered now, m1 L1 t minus 2. Area formula is L2. So 1 L will get cancelled and 1 L will remain in the denominator. It will be shifted to numerator and it will become L power minus 1. So pressure formula is m1 L minus 1 t minus 2. So this way students, we will be practicing more quantities so that how to get the dimensional formula, that practice is done.